Hi, my name is Amy and thank you very much for watching. These are strawberry seeds and I have had zero luck getting these to sprout. So I watched a YouTube video and they had a different technique than what I was doing, so maybe theirs will actually work. So it's not super complicated. Just take a paper towel. And I have 3 different types of seeds, so I'm just gonna do this 3 times. So I have a bowl of water. I'm just gonna squeeze out the water so it's, a damp paper towel. And then I'm gonna put the seeds on here, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge for 2 weeks and see if anything sprouts. Because apparently strawberry seeds actually do need the temperature to be cool. I'm not sure if it would be easier to put the seeds on first and then put them in the paper towel, but I want my hands to be dry when I go to pick up the seeds because I don't want, I always make these super complicated. Anyway, let me just do this. Do you have any New Year's resolutions? Mine is to definitely just relax and survive 2021. At this point, I've been in my condo for since March, so coming up on a year, and I'm starting a new job next week, so hopefully, things calm down a bit for me, and I'm able to enjoy things that I was trying to enjoy before. My cat wants me. Anyway, so these are damp without being drippy wet. We're going to put the bowl of water out of the way. And then I totally plugged this in so that I could turn that on so that you could actually see what I'm doing. I'm not sure if this makes that better or not though, so we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna start with this sweet Ann is actually, take it back a little, Amy. Okay, so this sweet Ann strawberry is currently in my hydroponic system and is looking rather sad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 1, 2, and then 20, 21. I mean, it's only going to be in the fridge for 2 weeks, but the sweet Ann is the part I'm curious about. These are the first strawberry that it came with the plant, like when I took it out of the packaging, there was already a strawberry that was overripe. So I keep drying my hands and then touching wet paper towels. I'm not sure how many seeds I should put on this though, because I will definitely feel bad if too many of these start to sprout. Actually, take off. Then I'll get more creative with my setup, I guess. Okay, these seeds are super small, but yeah, these actually, I would like these for, I'd be the most excited for these because I hand picked them out of the overripe strawberry. Okay, so I think that's probably enough. So we're just gonna try to shove this into the bag. without spilling any of the seeds. And hopefully in 2 weeks we will have some little sprouts. The YouTuber that I saw this, I think it was My Gardener, and he was showing us at 3 months, and they were just like super cute, super small plants. So I will have time to figure out what to do with these once if they sprout at all. Okay. So these are in the bag. I don't think there's anything. That's how small the seed is. Okay. So I think that's it. Just making sure that we don't contaminate between these, but I think we'll be able to see the difference between some of these. So there are the sweet ands. The seeds are so small. So cute. But I really hope that they in the fridge, they do something. So next we have these So Easy, and they're actually coated here. And these are Alpine, which are more like wild type strawberries. They're smaller strawberries, and I think they're also everbearing. I got them off of a seller on Etsy. I guess we'll try to put this in here first and then put the seeds in. I just don't think that the seeds need to be all on top of each other. And hopefully, since they're coated, sometimes they do these with seeds that are really small, apparently, just to make it easier for those that are, you know, trying to sow them, to pick them up with their hands and to tell how many they have, and yeah. I just like that they're hot pink, and my cat's still unhappy. Probably because I'm still ignoring her. But yeah, try to separate these, because if they do sprout, I would like to be able to save as many as possible. So yeah, the Alpine ones, and like, look at this. This is what the coated seeds look like. And this is what, you know, regular off the strawberry. I think, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure these are not going to be sweet Ann strawberries if they mature. They're going to be some kind of unknown hybrid. That's also exciting. They'll still be strawberries, you know, if they produce fruit. So these are Albion, and I also got these off of Etsy. I would say I got them off of Etsy. I may have gotten them from Amazon, because I was trying there for a while to be good about supporting small businesses, but I got to a point where, you know, I really just wanted these seeds, and it's really hard to get. It's more common to get strawberries with the roots, like they just sell the roots, but I definitely don't need like 25 to 50 Albion plants that are definitely going to, you know, sprout and be plants. It's just, And plus, if I want different types of strawberries, and I'm in my condo, and I don't see that ending super well. So if this doesn't work, I might have to give up and do that. But like, we'll see. So I'm going to tear open this tab and put this away. And I'm going to need to get another baggie for this, just to keep things organized. Let me go ahead and get a bag and pet my cat. Sorry about that. I got a small bag so that I can put my Albion, the ones that I don't use, inside the baggie, in this baggie, so that I can use them later. Hopefully not, though. Who knows? I might have to do this again next year because it takes like 2 or 3, 4 years to get homegrown from seed strawberries to fruit, so. But once they do, they'll start producing suckers, and then I'll never have to do this ever again. Hopefully. So, what do these look like? Yeah. Just like mine. Cute. I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna put some on my hand so that I have more control. It's probably enough. Just trying to spread them out a little. Okay. So these are my Albion strawberries, and I'm just gonna set this and forget this in my fridge until the 16th. So yeah, hopefully there will be an update that is not depressing. I'm gonna take some of the air out. Although I don't know if it hurt. I don't think it hurts. So yeah, this is what the Sweet Ann looks like. This is what the... Would it be helpful to not have this light on for the reflection? So, yeah. This is my Sweet Ann, and this is the Albion. So they don't look so different. The Alpine looks different because they were coated. And yeah, wish me luck.